What if the stars we gaze at are forever out of reach? Our ships doomed to crawl through the cosmos, while the universe races away faster than we can chase. Hold on tight, because we're re-exploring how far we can truly travel in space, and the mind-bending limits of the universe that could trap us in our cosmic backyard or propel us to unimaginable frontiers. Hit that like if you're ready to blast off into the void and confront the barriers standing between us and the stars. And let's unravel this spacefaring enigma together. Think of space travel as humanity's ultimate road trip, where the gas tank is our tech, the map is physics, and the destination keeps speeding away, making the unknown feel as personal as staring at the night sky and wondering if we'll ever touch those twinkling lights. We've dreamed of zipping to distant worlds since we first looked up. But reality bites with barriers like light speed and vast distances that turn journeys into generational sagas. It's urgent, with climate woes pushing us to seek new homes. Grasping these limits, is UNT just curiosity at S, survival in a universe that does UNT bend to our will? Fresh insights drive this HOMA 2025 analysis, pegged our fastest probes at speeds that would take tens of thousands of years to reach the nearest star. A sobering stat underscoring how propulsion tech lags behind our ambitions. And get this, recent models show the observable universe stretches 93 billion light-years, but expansion means much of it slips away forever, like an elephant on your chest, reminding us we're stuck in a bubble we can't escape. This isn't defeatist. It's a call to arms, anchoring our timeless quest for exploration in the grind for progress amid cosmic constraints. Drop in the comments, if you could hop to any star, where would you go first? Tag a friend who have their mind blown by this, because these aha moments make the cosmos feel closer. X threads are buzzing with debates on this, like one viral storm where users crunch numbers, showing even at 1% light speed a trip to Alpha Centauri takes centuries, a twisty revelation that flips dreams of interstellar jaunts into harsh math. Now, let's paint the current frontier, where space pioneers push against these bounds with the grit of adventurers facing an endless ocean, turning near misses into tales of triumph. Meet the engineers behind SpaceX's Starship, who've ramped up reusable rocketry this year, slashing costs to make Mars feel reachable, a breakthrough that nearly faltered with early explosions, but soared when 2025 tests nailed orbital refueling, paving the way for multi-planet hops. These aren't desk dreamers, they're hands-on heroes, like the NASA team who weathered budget cuts to launch the Europa Clipper, dodging a near-miss when propulsion glitches threatened delay, only to confirm subsurface oceans on Jupiter's moon that could harbor life, blending real-time buzz from X clips of the launch that lit up feeds worldwide. Humanized attention. Picture a control room in Florida this summer, hearts pounding as data streamed in from Voyager probes, still whispering from interstellar space after 48 years, a discovery arc that had teams toasting to humanity's farthest-flung envoys, even as they highlight how radiation and power fade limit our reach, and the bizarre barriers keep emerging. Lightspeed caps us at 300,000 kilometers per second, but relativity warps time for travelers nearing it. A 2025 simulation showing crews aging slower than Earthlings on long hauls, like a domino effect where journeys stretch subjectively short, but leave homeworlds changed forever. X-semantic searches glow with viral discussions of warp drives, threads weaving stories of how theoretical Alcubierre bubbles could fold space, a near-miss for physicists who debunked early hype until quantum tweaks flipped the script toward feasibility, though energy demands rival a star's output. One post dives into cryogenic sleep, revealing how 2025 trials in labs mimic hibernation to stretch human endurance, saved by bio-breakthroughs that counter muscle atrophy. It's a tense narrative. Triumphs like laser sails from Breakthrough, Starshot aiming for 20% light speed to Proxima Centauri in decades, balanced by funding hurdles from wary investors. Yet private ventures pour billions into fusion drives, as X-chatter from Astro Engineers notes, overcoming skepticism with prototypes that promise to shatter solar system confines. These trailblazers embody our drive, curiosity clashing with the void, uncovering glows in the dark that whisper secrets from relativistic eons ago. Looking ahead, the horizons pulse with potential. What if we shatter these limits to roam the stars? Optimistic speculation sees AI simulations crunching petabytes of astrophysical data to model breakthrough propulsions. potentially unlocking cures for aging via time dilation insights, or climate fixes by mining distant worlds for rare elements that stabilize Earth's chaos. Skeptics say the tech isn't ready, with energy walls looming. But a fresh NASA report from last month flips that with suborbital tests hitting new velocity highs, proving we're geared for interstellar probes. Imagine slashing disease by cryosleep therapies born from deep space needs, boosting survival in a warming world, turning tech's double-edged sword into a lance for progress. Counterpoints arise. X-threads fret over ecological fallout from asteroid mining or ethical quagmires in generational ships, potentially stranding crews in isolation. But reassurance flows from international consortia, showing private billions streaming in, echoing nature's hidden superpowers like quantum entanglement, hinting at faster-than-light comms. It's grounded. Mastering these bounds could unite us in cosmic citizenship, nodding to curiosity while safeguarding survival in an expanding arena. We're on the cusp. Miss this launch, and you'll wonder what stellar secrets we left undiscovered. Drop in the comments, would you sign up for a one-way trip to Mars? Your wild theory might ignite the next space race. Now, let's weave a bold what-if yarn, cinematic and awe-inspiring, where we breach the universe's limits and claim the stars. Enter Dr. Aria Voss, a visionary propulsion physicist in a gleaming 2050 orbital station circling Earth. Her eyes fixed on holographic displays swirling with petabytes of warp data. She's on the brink. Team huddled as AI predictive models outpacing rivals with quantum crunching, simulator breakthrough, a stable Alphabia drive, folding space to zip to Alpha Centauri in weeks, not millennia. Picture the scene. Aria's fingers fly over controls. A near-miss power surge nearly shreds the prototype, but triumph blooms as the field stabilizes. A probe vanishing and reappearing in a flash, unlocking gates to exoplanets teeming with promise. Tension spikes. Governments lock down the tech, fearing weaponization. Skeptics decry risks of space-time tears. Funding teeters as energy cartels dread free stellar highways. Yet Aria presses on, driven by humanity's eternal curiosity, her own resolve mirroring the team's grit. In a jaw-dropping twist, the drive integrates fleet-wide. Colonies sprout on habitable worlds. Diseases vanish with alien biotech halls. Societies bond across light years. As cultures blend, progress explodes, tackling universal riddles like dark energy. Conflicts fade in shared wonder. Survival thrives in a galactic federation. It's plausible, rooted in today's trends models, forecasting fusion sails nearing 10% light speed, evolving from probes to pilgrimages. Picture this, a glow-defying distance, whispering secrets from cosmic eons, revolutionizing exploration forever, our progress tied to embracing the infinite. This cosmic odyssey has reshaped how I view our tiny blue dot. It's not a prison, but a launchpad in a vast, untamed universe of curiosity, survival, and progress. In a cosmos calling out, grasping our travel limits reminds us we're stardust with dreams to chase, connected beyond horizons, capable of leaping into the unknown. Smash subscribe for more mind-bending dives into the impossible. Comment your wildest space theory below, and share this with your adventure squad because the stars are calling, and who knows what galaxies you'll uncover next.